Hi, this is Paul Kreutz, and welcome to this special preview edition of Halloween DIY and How-To, showcasing the animated props coming to you in 2025. The how-to video for this floating ominous phantom was just one of many videos originally planned for this year's release, but unfortunately they had to be postponed due to some frightening circumstances. But fear not, they will be unleashed next year. Along with the phantom, these eerie animated props will also include a beguiling skeleton, spooky spiders, a magical treasure chest, moving pictures and portraits, impish ghouls and goblins, and floating candles. These creepy creations are brought to life by a unique motor-driven mechanical device. I'll be here to walk you through the process of building and using this versatile contraption. Each video episode will be packed with detailed information and instructions on how to transform your handmade and store-bought items into one-of-a-kind, fun and spooky animated props for your Halloween haunt. So stay tuned for the release of these exciting new videos starting in June 2025. Until then, have a safe, fun, and happy Halloween!